First, we start with the air hammer forging the metal blank. This powerful tool uses compressed air to deliver forceful blows, shaping the metal with precision. Next, we move to the press machine. Here, the forged metal undergoes flattening. The press machine applies immense pressure, ensuring the metal surface is even and smooth. The final step in our journey is the 500 rolling ring machine. This impressive piece of machinery is responsible for expanding holes in the metal. Watch as it carefully and methodically enlarges the opening, ensuring it meets exact specifications. With precision and power, the rolling ring machine completes the transformation, producing a component ready for its final application.